Wow, look who I've just caught down here. What do you think of it?
So I've never been before, but I knew they were running this. It's lovely. But do you not think it's typical of Saddleworth as a community that something like this exists and then it's supported by local people? And I know we have loads of tourists in Saddleworth, but it's great to see local people, loads of local people, and stall holders that are sort of relatively local to the area.
95% are local to the area, and that's what we're trying to big up. Just Saddleworth, Oldham, that's what we're trying to big up. And amazing to see you here. It's great.
We found out about it, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and just thought we'd wander down today, but the weather helps as well. So you're more likely to come have a wander around the marina when it's like 25 degrees and the sun's shining. It's lovely to be here. Well, this does illustrate this area. I mean, I came here 40 odd years ago. Me and Viv have been here now together maybe 30 years. Both my girls were born, grew up, went to school here. And I was out last night in Upper Mill, and it's amazing. It's full of different age groups. They all interact. They all shop locally. It's an amazing place. Bit of a bubble, if I'm being really honest. So you come in here and you think, hang on, I'm in Happy Valley here. You know what I mean?
I do know what you mean. But usually we try to book the rain for a Sunday, but
let you down really badly.
Today,
I know. You can't whack a bit of rain, but not today, thank you very much.
Brilliant.
It's really lovely, mate, honestly, and it's a credit to you and everybody involved with it, because to do something like this, you have to put your initial money where your mouth is, if I'm being honest, and have the faith that it'll work, faith that people will turn up. You can't just say, oh, we're going to do a market, an artisan market at the marina. It will be great. You can only do it and see if it's great. So all credit to all of you.
I think just the support that we've had from all the local people and people travelling in from as far afield as today's from near Chatsworth. We've been speaking to people, so it's been really good. Are you going to come back?
Of course I am. Yes, I live here.
Brilliant.
Cheers, mate.